What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to scan a document or add a PDF to your Notes app in the iPhone Notes app. So once you're on the note that you want to add the PDF to, it's really simple. You're going to click the camera icon on your toolbar with text, and then from here you just go over to your document that you have, take a picture of it. The Notes app does do a pretty decent job of cropping it itself, but you might want to just edit the corners a little bit, as you're going to see here. They also include like a little magnifying tool so you could just get it just perfect. And I'm going to get it just perfect for this example. I have this Wendy's nutrition information poster right here. It's pretty cool. I actually just ripped it off the wall when I went to Wendy's the other day, just for the purpose of this tutorial. And then I'm also going to frame it and hang it on my wall because I think it looks sick. Anyway, I have the thing cropped up, and then you could see it's completely cropped, and it just looks like how a normal document would look like online or anything like that. There's no evidence of the background or anything like that. It's just the pure nutrition information. And when you're doing this, you definitely want to be sure to have good lighting. I recommend some outdoor lighting as well as some overhead lighting. It just makes everything look better, and it looks clear like it's an actual document that you had. If you have any questions or were confused by the tutorial, don't hesitate to drop a comment and I'll get back to you shortly. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.